Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about action button in Odoo 19 for our custom module, how to implement an action button, what is the difference between action button and object type button. Now, in today's lecture, we will study about a help attribute. Now, what is an help attribute? You may be wondering. Now, what I'll do, I'll simply just duplicate this tab, go to the cells module and open any of the record. Here you can see in the order date field there is a question mark icon, and when you hover on that you can see there is a dialog box open, namely creation date of draft sent orders, confirmation date of confirm order. Also, this is I have not activated the developer mode, it is coming by default. Now what is this? It is the help attribute. What is the use case of this particular help attribute? It will give the users additional information regarding the field and what is use case of this particular field. So in order to add a help attribute in your custom field or any of the field, all you need to do is go to your code. In the particular model, select any of the field in which you need to add the help attribute. Let's say we take as here we simply add author, we add help as an attribute is equals to author name here. So what I have done, in the author field I have added help attribute in which I have written particular description for it. Now I'll restart my server, and here I'll simply just go to the apps, upgrade my module, and then go to library management and open any of the record. See, currently I have not activated the developer mode, and you can see there is a question mark here and a dialog box will be open describing the field author name here. So it is a very helpful in which you want to show the user particular use case of that particular field. Also remember, if you activate the developer mode, you can see all there is question mark, and when you hover on this you can see the help attribute is shown in the blue background, and after that all the technical details of that particular field will be shown. So also, once again I am saying that we don't need to activate developer mode for the particular help attribute to be shown. Now let me summarize today's topic. In order to add the help attribute in any of the field for the use case in which the user can get additional information regarding the field, all you need to do is go to the model, and in the model locate your particular field in which you want to add the description, and in that field add help attribute equals to followed by your description. Then simply restart your server and upgrade your module. You will find this help attribute. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.